Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use TikTok Auto Publish for Shop. To use TikTok's Auto Publish and scheduling features for your shop in 2026, you can utilize built-in seller center tools, native app scheduling, or integrated platforms like Shopify. Now, to use this auto publishing from the Shopify application, what you can do is open the TikTok for Shopify application by heading to your browser. Type in TikTok for Shopify app. Now, once you head to this official site, from here you should be able to log into Shopify. Now, if you don't have a account, go ahead and sign up. And once you log into it, you should be able to find shop management option, and once you click on it, head to Shoppable video, then manage synced videos. Then switch auto publish videos to on. Then set your desired frequency and specific posting times. Then your videos must be linked to active products and comply with the TikTok Shop's safety and community guidelines. Now, once you do so, you should be able to auto-publish for Shop in TikTok. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.